Hey guys, how's it going? On today's video, we'll be announcing the new project. You've seen these two cars in the back of my Instagram photos and my videos lately. This is my 1985 318i and my 1995 E30 M3, and we will be S50 swapping the E30. It had an M10 in it. I already took the motor out. Hard to see, but a little dark, but it's out. And still waiting to pull the motor out of this car. So this car is a full parts car. So if anyone needs parts from it, let me know. As for this one, we got some nice cloth blue interior that needs a cleaning. I have an M-Tech one wheel for it. If anyone has a blue carpet, it's hard to see, but someone did cut it. So if anyone has some blue carpet for sale, let me know. We got some 16s XXR wheels for it. They're currently off the car because I'm getting new tires for them. We are going to be doing something with the headlights that most people are against, but I want to try it out, so we're going to do it. So stay tuned for that. And I'd like to bag the car, so if there's anyone that wants to work with me on getting this car as low to the ground as possible, please let me know. So I will be documenting this whole build on my YouTube, my Instagram, so be sure to check both those out at The Masked Driver, and should be a good project. So next update video will be a full parts list of what's going to go on the car. I've been stocking up on a few things already. Oil pan, E90 brake booster. I have a full drive shaft for it already. I got to make a nice big order with Garagistic, and some stuff from ECS Tuning, and some oil from PurOl. And then we'll also do some headlights from Shadowline Motorsports. But big things for this car. It'll be my first swap of many, so we'll get it done. We're also going to be swapping the subframes from drum brakes to disc brakes. So I'm going to be stealing the full rear trailing arm and front bushings, all the bushings from my E30 over to this car. And then you have to stay tuned for that video on my E30. We're going with a different little upgrade from the ADA Garagistic bushings. So this should be a great project. It should go pretty quick since there's not much to be done. Well, there is, but there isn't, because I have everything right here off this 95 parts car. Good running motor. It's a little down on compression on one cylinder, but it's not really going to be noticeable when driving. Once I get the motor out, I'm going to figure out if the whole motor needs to be gone through real quick with gaskets and stuff, but it's pretty good overall. Not many leaks underneath it since it's been parked here for about a month or two. But I'd start her up, but the battery is completely dead. But this is going to be a fun project, so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and have a good day.